Hello guys, it is Zari'swinxclubYT, and today we are going to be doing a roleplay called The Earthquake. So basically what this roleplay is about, sorry my phone is turning off, when an earthquake happens and the family is like out of control and they stay overnight in a place because like the place gets evacuated. And guys, this is how I play my normal Tokaboka, so if you do not mind me having a different accent while I play with my characters, I recommend you to watch this video. But if you mind that I change my accent, then don't watch this video, because I'm going to be doing this in all of my Tokaboka plays. So yeah. So without further ado, let's get started. Beep. Reports of an earthquake approaching is here. The earthquake will strike us soon. Pack your bags and be ready. I repeat, pack your bags and be ready. What is that noise? I'm saying this one last time. There's an earthquake happening. Make sure to pack your things and be prepared. And evacuate your homes now. Earthquake? We need to get the kids now. Should we even change? No, just pack your bags. We need to go. Okay. I'm gonna pack my stuff. This is not my bag. Just keep pajamas on. Okay. And don't pack any outfits, just keep your pajamas on. I'm gonna keep these, because in case it gets cold. And, should we pack something for Isabella so that she doesn't get bored? Babe, this is an earthquake! Forget about Isabella's toys! Yeah, you're right. Toys can be bought any day. Maybe you should just pack one outfit? Yeah. Pajamas for later. Okay. Dude, because I have nothing. I don't want to still scratch for clothes. There's no time to scratch for clothes anyway. Let's go before the earthquake strikes us. I'm gonna carry Isabella. Okay. Isabella, wake up! Come on. Isa, come on, you need to wake up, honey. There's an earthquake. Did you just say earthquake? Yes, Isa, come on. Get your hoodie on, come on. What? Lacey, come on, you're gonna die if you don't get up. What the heck is going on? Put your stuffed animals down and take off the hideous things. Hideous? Dad, I'm being serious, Lacey. There's an earthquake happening. You're right. Obviously there's not. There is. Come on. Ugh, fine, whatever. How are you not worried about this? Get your glasses, Lacey. Yeah, get your glasses, fool. Isabella, don't call me a fool. You're only 3 years old. What do you know? Lacey, come on. Stop the chitter chatter and stop fighting. We need to go. Fine. Let's go then. Oh wait, I need my phone. Gonna live stream. Why? We're in the middle of a death situation and you want to live stream? I don't care. It's probably just fake. No, it's not. Now come on, we need to get in the car. Now! Whatever, fine. Give me that. Lacey, get your asthma pump now! Fine. Oh, what? TikTok notification? Guys, get ready with me to go for the earthquake. You aren't kidding! There's actually an earthquake! Mom, I'm about to have an asthma attack. Stop saying that. You're making me worry even more. Okay, well, take keys. You're right, I should take some keys. Let's go! What are you still waiting for? Sorry, Dad! Jesus! Let's go, guys! Come on! Because I'm Loki just gonna take him to the car. Oops. Guys, come on! Quickly! Also, if you wonder why this phone is not, I don't know what I'm doing. Don't judge me! Isabella, get in your high chair. Put the bags in the trunk. Mom, I need to keep my asthma pump. Yeah, no duh. We have a medical place for a reason. Okay. Sit down. The front is the best place. Wait. That was the earthquake! I drove as far from it as possible. Is everyone okay? Yeah. I hope so. Did it hit our house? Honey, give me your phone. Scary though. Yeah, to believe I didn't even believe Mom. Like, so sorry. It's okay. We can go home now. That was really scary. Yeah, it was really scary. Thank gosh I didn't have an asthma attack. Yeah, that would have been even worse. Okay, let's go. Alright, now that we're home, we can unpack and get back to what we were doing. Like sleeping? Heck yeah. We didn't even have breakfast and I'm so hungry. Yeah. Lacey, instead of protecting your sister, you decide to protect your phone? Yeah, because you took her first. I was obviously going to take Isa. Sure you were. That was not the best idea to say before. And don't ask me why my dad put this on. I don't even know. Sit down, take a breath, and then you can sleep. That was scary. Anyway, I'm tired now. Alright, let's go unpack and change back into our pajamas. Guys, I don't know what else to record now, so I feel like we're wrapping it up. This is the end of this roleplay. I really hope you enjoyed it. Also, just realized that I forgot to put on the bed. And we don't talk about that, okay? And if you want to see more of these Tokaboka roleplays, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next one. Enjoy!